Hello, students. Just a quick note for everyone that's in the class. This is my first period class, and I wanted to place this on the stream side of Google Classroom to show you what I've done differently. If you would, if you look in your classwork side of first period, third period, and fifth, by the time the video is posted, you will see first period class, and you will see that I have made week assignments for my independent students. So my independent students, instead of you going day by day trying to figure out what it is that you're supposed to be doing, go by week. So according to this calendar, I'm going to click on the calendar. Hopefully you can see it on the screen. We started out on September the 8th. So this would be week 1. September the 14th through the 18th would be week 2. September the 21st through the 25th would be the next week, which is week 3. And then September the 28th to October the 2nd would be the 4th week. And so I placed everything for week 1 to make sure that nothing was confusing. And this is week 2. Now, I started this one out with the general overview, and you will see A, B, C, D. Pretty much in the overview, I intend to place the things that you need to accomplish for the week. And so if you will notice, it has the Zoom teacher schedule, which of course should be closed by now because we do that Monday through Thursday in preparation for today, Friday. And then you would sign in to these to find the other 2 items, and the other 2 items are described in the message. Okay, so there. And then you have, of course, a YouTube video that kind of summarizes it. So when you look in the Google slide on the origins of government, it's either one of these, and then you have the current event item that's there. So when you click on it, it will show you exactly which is which. So you go through A, B, C, and D to ensure that you have what you need. Of course, current event is due today. And then you have the Friday teacher support schedule. I have it there as well. I probably need to get rid of it in one spot or the other. And then you will see the exam. Of course, these are the documents that support your learning. And so I told you to look over this, and I told you to look over this. So pretty much if you look in the general overview, it tells you when the test will be scheduled. So I'm going to open up one on today to make sure that you are able to take it, and that's the one on the Acellus Unit 1. Okay, and then we'll take the other one on September the 22nd. So make sure that you're ready. So everything is done by week. You probably will not see week 3 until Monday because I'm building all the units up. Okay, so by the time you see each week, you should see everything in there that you're supposed to do. Now, my general students, of course, you're going to go by days. And so all of my traditional and virtual students on Fridays, you would just go through, see what day you're on. And for us, we're on day 8th. The 8th day. I'm sorry, saying day 8. All right, the 8th day. And so you will know which day we're on if you just kind of look at the date at the end of each of those posts. Okay, so this is day 8. So what you would do is here, you just have an A, B, and C. And then, of course, I posted your current event. All right. So there was just a quick video to show you how I set the classroom up. And this is going to be for first, third, and fifth period. So regardless as to if you are in government, first or fifth, or in psychology, this will be the way you do it. Now, I do want to note, I just showed you the current event on the week 2. I think it is here. One of these will take you to the current event. Okay, so I'm going to open up both so that you can see it. The reason I did it is because it needs to sync with the grade book. You might not understand that. So it will be in the same post as the general students, but of course it's provided to you so that you can have a smooth kind of transition. So this one is the current event. As you notice, the current event grade chart and the current events and negotiables are in there. So this is for my independent students. When you click on it, of course, you should be already in your account because you're in Google Classroom. That first one is going to be the current event, and then the next one will be that homework assignment I told you all to complete. Most of you should have done that. Well, all of you should, I say. And so I'm going to try to set up all of your folders by week. Don't forget that if you are independent, You must check Google Classroom because if those items are not done, you will get a 0 in that spot. You don't need me to do it because generally you have a video or everything is spelled out for you to do it. So seeing that you chose independent, I'm not going to hoover over you as if you don't know what you're doing. Just check your weekly folders. So when Monday comes, you will look for week 3 and everything that you're doing in week 3 should show up under there. That is for September the 21st through the 25th. My traditional and virtual students, again, you're on day 8, and then Monday will be your day 9. And that is it.